I built a $10,000 per month faceless channel using only these three AI tools. Now, as you heard me in the intro, I have built something on YouTube that makes over $10,000 a month. And I'm doing all of that without showing my face, or even recording my voice, or even editing videos manually. I'm doing all of that by the warmth of my bed and doing it in the easiest way. And in this video, I'm going to break down exactly how that works and the three AI tools that are behind it. Now, this is not one of those fake make money online videos. I'm going to be giving it to you real and showing you the actual system from idea to upload and how these tools actually work together to create content at scale. Now, firstly, let's talk about the idea behind faceless channels. So, before everything, let's get one thing clear. Faceless channels do not work because they remove the biggest bottlenecks, which is recording, editing, and on camera presence. So instead of relying on you, they will rely on systems. And once a system works, you can pretty much scale it. Now, the three AI tools that basically power everything is first of all, Chat GPT. All right. Then we move over to Synthesia. All right. And then finally, we move over to CapCut. All right. Now, if you don't know what CapCut or any of these other platforms are, don't worry. I'm here to tell you how they work and what they actually are. All right. So, first of all, let's talk about ChatGPT. Now, ChatGPT is a chat based AI bot. Okay. And this is one of the greatest bots in AI nowadays. And it can be great for writing scripts for yourself. Then Synthesia is a platform that creates videos by using avatars and using scripts to voice those avatars. And it's great for visuals and the actual eye candy that your viewers are going to get. And then CapCut, finally, is the place where you're going to edit and polish your whole video. Okay. So that's how we're distributing things evenly with each other, and that's how we can work along with them. All right. So once that gives you a clear idea, do make sure to go ahead and sign yourself up with all three of these because these are the three platforms that you're going to be using for what we're going to be doing over here. Now, first of all, let me give you an idea of faceless YouTube channels. So there's tons of them, like YouTube Shorts ones, or if let's go with the inspirational videos or something like that. If we go ahead and write this, now this is a YouTube channel of inspirational video called Stoic Shift, and this is a person that just edits clips together, doesn't really use their voice, uses other voices, adds music, and damn, done. The video is good to go. If I go ahead and open this person's channel, you can see they have 142,000 subscribers. And in those subscribers, they're almost pulling 17 million views, which is absolutely crazy. And their videos are going at a pretty decent rate, like 7.5 million, 1.9 million, 1.1 million, and daily their videos go up to 8,000 views, which is a pretty decent amount to make a decent amount of money. So how can you do this for yourself? Now, first of all, you need to be smart. And to be smart, you need to start finding viral videos for yourself. So go ahead and look for trending topics. All right. And how can you look for trending topics? What you can do is you can go over to the explore section over here. And in the explore section, you can go over to news. And once you go over to news, as you can see in top stories, it's going to start giving you different things to actually see what people are actually seeing, what people want to see. Then you can move over to gaming. In gaming, also, you can see the topmost things that are being seen. So, according to your niche, go ahead and see the trending topic. You know, see the higher search queries that are going in YouTube nowadays. What's more popping off right now, what people are actually listening to, what people are actually watching. Okay, stuff like that. So once you've gotten an idea use ChatGPT to base ideas generated on your niche. So let's say I'm going to go ahead and write something like, I want you to give me topic ideas for my YouTube channel, and I want them to be about, let's go with something like football niche because let's say FIFA is coming up. Okay. So we're going to write that in. And as you can see, it's going to start giving us topics according to that. Now, as you can see, you get the hype plus trend-based easy views, everything new in EA Sports FC 25, why EA Sports keeps changing FIFA, top 10 broken players in the new FC game. You can use content like that. Now, once you have an idea, so let's say I'm going to go with top 10 broken players in the new FC game. Now, what you're going to do is you're going to use ChatGPT to generate structured scripts with it, okay? And you're going to use hooks, chapters, and clear explanation. But don't just go ahead and copy and paste that. So first of all, what I'm going to do is I'm going to write in the topic, and let's say I'm going to write in the structure, and we're going to go with write me a script for my video with this structure. And once we go ahead and enter it in, we're simply going to wait for GPT to load things in and start giving us a script. And as you can see, it goes in. So, all right, I'm just going to say it. If you're not using at least one of these players, you're basically choosing to suffer. Now, you can go ahead and copy paste it if you want to, but I would say to edit it, add personality in it, make it sound natural. So once we have a script, we're going to move over to Synthesia, click on create a video. Over here, you can choose any of these, but I'm simply going to hit start from blank. Once we hit start from blank, it's going to take us to this whole timeline where we're going to start adding our things. All right. So I'm going to remove that. I'm going to remove that, and I'm going to remove that. In the background, what you can do is you can choose any solid color for yourself. So let's say I'm going to go with black. I'm going to bring the avatar here. You can change the avatar, by the way. Let's go with one more, that looks sports oriented. So let's go with this person right here. What you're going to do is we're going to delete that. We're going to bring this person into the center. There we go. Now that's our avatar. And now what you can do is you can actually come up here, copy the script, come up here in the script section in Synthesia, go ahead and paste it. And once the script is in, you're going to go ahead and create the video. Okay, no need to change the script over here, with the outro and the end and everything that it says. You're simply going to go ahead and hit generate. Now, once you hit generate, it's going to go ahead and ready your video. And once the video is ready, what you can do is you can actually go into CapCut and refine it from here by going ahead into the CapCut editor. And in the CapCut editor, what you can do is you can actually start adding subtitles, adding transitions, improving the pacing, and this is where your video is going to go from okay to watchable. And from there on out, put in the AdSense revenue for yourself, add transitions and digital products with affiliate links. And what that does is posting consistently, improving quality, and doubling down on what works will lead you to good amounts of videos, good amounts of views, and good amounts of money to actually work with. So that is basically how you're going to go ahead and earn a lot of money off of YouTube through Faceless YouTube videos. Now, if you enjoyed this video, please do make sure to drop down a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'm going to be seeing all of you in the very next video. Have a great day. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.